Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel, SB19. Headline sa isang London-based magazine, online magazine na AEC. Be proud 18 dahil ito ay first Pinoy artist na na-featured sa isang magazine na European o London-based na AEC magazine. Ayon sa articles, ang new song na Visa ng SB19 is loud, clever and slightly chaotic. At ang on-point na two words ay painfully accurate. Talaga namang mahirap ang pagdaanan ng mag-apply ng visa at ito nga talagang inaware tayo ng SB19. Talagang supalpal ang immigration ng Pilipinas, transform the struggle in securing a visa into a sharp metaphor about validation. Sabi ng articles, hindi lang ito paperworks, ito ay family unification, job access, scholarships, a better salary, sometimes survival. Nasabihan tuloy na ang Pilipinas ay isa sa mga weakest passport sa buong mundo. Na-mention din ang 3 letters na TNT o tago ng tago sa ibang bansa at magtrabaho na walang papeles. Sabi din, talent is not enough. Maraming kailangan na validation. Like external, Western, institutional, at syempre ang stamp.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.